class 4. In today's video we will do the question answers of lesson 4, the old green toe. Children, you can watch the video of mine in which I had already explained the chapter, and in today's video we just do the question answers. We have only 3 questions in the chapter and they are the old green toe. Answer these questions. Where was the old green door and what was the way for it? The old, just see here. Answer: the old green door was at children's school. It was down past Mr. Joiny's room at the end of the corridor. Okay, this is the answer. Zoom it and do it in your notebook. Next question. What sounds did the students hear coming from behind the door? You see the answer. The children first heard a scratchy sound, followed by gnashing and grinding of the terrible teeth. दांत आपस में घिसने की आवाज. After that they heard a chilling scream, चिल्लाने की आवाज किसी की, and a growling roar, और किसी की roar करने की, जैसे tigers and lions roar करते हैं वैसे. Then something started to pound against, फिर कुछ ऐसे pound started to pound against the terrible old green door. Okay, you have to just learn some words: gnashing, growling, chilling scream, and then pound against the terrible door. Okay, this is the answer. Zoom it or take a screenshot, whatever you like, and complete. Now, third question is the last question in our book. Why were the students frightened by Mr. Lee? The students were frightened of Mr. Lee because he wanted to take them back to that terrible old green door, and his eyes grew red as if they bled, and his hand bent into a claw. उनके जो हाथ थे वो एक claw में बदल गए, ना? The frightened students fled from there. Okay, these are the questions, and just see. In this way you can complete them. This is the first one, the second and third, and let's see small questions in your book also. Here we have choose the correct option of the complete sentence. Now Tom is 10 years old. Now there is various differences are there regarding this, because Tom is 10 years old. How is he 10 years old? Just see. I know you love adventure. No. I have been in this school. Tom is saying कि मैं इस स्कूल में 6 years से हूँ. Begin when I was 4. और जब मैं 4 साल का था तब मैंने शुरू किया, और 6 years से मैं इस स्कूल में हूँ. Then 6 plus 4 is equals to, that means Tom is 10 years old. Okay. The students like to explore new places. The student first heard a roaring sound. Then Jack was the slowest to flee the old green door. Mr. Lee asked the students to help him in the store. Next, this was rearrange these sentences. This was followed by a chilling scream, then growling roar. Okay, I had done this for you. You have to arrange them. The students heard a scratching sound that moving behind the old green door. The students heard the something. Okay, this is the first sentence. And this is, they heard the, it is second sentence. Then this is the third sentence starting from here, and this is the fourth sentence. The students heard something pounding against the door. Okay, and this is the fifth sentence. The frightened student fled. It is the fifth sentence. Okay, so now moving to the book exercise, that's page 41 here. Okay, our school building has 3 floors. Cardinals and ordinals we have to fill. Okay. Our class is on the first floor. The room is on the second floor. The library is 2 floors above the classroom. On which floor is the library? It is on the 3rd floor. Okay. 3 first, 2nd, 2 3rd. Okay. Now, what? Listen to and say these words aloud. Now, and you have to underline the silent letter. Here we have king, kit, knit. Now knit. It's a K silent over here. Climb, hub, van. Climb. C is silent over here. Hilly, Arly, hut, Arly. Autumn, dinner, not. Friday, Saturday, Wednesday. D is silent. Okay. Wednesday नहीं होता है, Wednesday. Okay. Moving to the next exercise. Here we have the meanings are given. Here we have to just mark the meanings. Okay. First one. If you bump into a table, you knock against it. टकरा जाना टेबल से. If you hear a crack of thunder, you heard a loud sound. If you stomp on, crush it with your feet. If you crush some ice, break it into tiny pieces. Then, 5th one. A window pane shatters, breaks into many pieces. If you snap a twig, you break it into 2 pieces. If you squeal, you cry out loudly with joy or in pain. Next, if you crumble, break it into small bits. Now, moving to the personal pronouns. Tom and Tara are talking to me. I am listening to them. Now, we have to just find out the pronouns, personal pronouns. These are the pronouns of first person, second person, third person. Okay, first person, I, me. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it, they, them. Me, I, them. Uncle Rayon is also listening to him. We also felt scared. Okay, we. They. Now, what we have to do in the page 43 now? Rewrite the sentence by using personal pronouns. Now, these are the pronouns given to us. Let me explain them first. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, them, we, us, here and them are personal pronoun. Personal pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we and they are used before personal pronouns me, you, him, his, her, it, us, them are used after verbs. Remember that thing. I saw a green door. Mama gave me a sandwich. Now, verb के बाद में जो भी pronoun आता है वो कौन सा pronoun होगा? Second person. Okay. Now, just see, these are the pronouns. Personal pronouns I and me used to refer to the speaker. Na? We, us used to refer to the group of people including the speaker. ठीक है, जो बोल रहा है उसके साथ जो लोग बैठे हैं उसके लिए we आता है. Now, you to refer to the person or persons we are talking to, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं उसके लिए आता है. He, she, it, her, it, they, them. To refer to the person, animals or things we are talking about. Okay. Now, what you have to do, rewrite these sentences by using the personal pronouns in the place of highlighted word. जो green color से जो words लिखे हैं, उनकी place पे हमको जो है personal pronouns change करना है. ठीक है? The first one is already done. The elephant, so it is. Okay. Second one, Sharma and Rao are good footballers. Sharma and Rao always score goals. Now it seems it's just repetition, na? So to avoid this repetition, we just can say they. Okay. Third, the cat ran quickly. The cat tried to run up. Now we can use it because it's an animal, na? So now, third one, it. Fourth, the children got together. The children. Now we can use they because it's plural, na? That's why. Ravi is visiting Jay and Tia. Ravi will be. So Ravi, at the place of Ravi we can say he. J-N-T या them. Okay, because it's after verb, we can say them. 6. Surbhi and Bordo wanted to go to village fair. Surbhi said for the father, please take Bordo and me to the fair. Take us to the fair. So I have written them separately also. Second में they आएगा, third में it, fourth में they, he, them, us. Okay. Do it. Now turning to the next page, we have another one. Okay. This is demonstrative pronouns. This, now this and that. Okay, demonstratives. This is used with singular noun close to, जो चीज़ हमारे पास में पड़ी है close to the speaker, उसके लिए हम लोग this use करते हैं, है ना, जिसके बाद में बिल्कुल is आता है. These is used प्लूरल. प्लूरल कोई चीज़ें हमारे क्लोज पड़ी है, पास में पड़ी है, तो हम उसके लिए दीज यूज़ करते हैं. दैट इज़ यूज फार, जो दूर पड़ी है हमसे, काफ़ी डिस्टेंस पे है, उसके लिए हम लोग दैट यूज़ करते हैं. और प्लूरल थिंग्स जो हमसे बहुत दूर पड़ी हुई है, उसके लिए हम दोज यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. प्रेजेंट टेंस और पास्ट टेंस भी होता है, ये दोनों हम प्रेजेंट टेंस में यूज़ करते हैं एंड दीज दैट दोज हम पास्ट टेंस में यूज़ करते हैं. ओके. नाउ do the exercise. This is a scary story. Those are huge doors. That is a mysterious message. These are my friends. This is a funny movie. Okay. Now just see demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Now there is trick to know them. Demonstrative noun मतलब कि demonstratives आ जाते हैं, this that those आ जाते हैं, और उनके साथ में एक noun आ जाए, एकदम उनके बिल्कुल बाद में नाउन हो, तो वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं. और डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव नेक्स्ट जस्ट रीड इट फर्स्ट. टॉम, माय टीचर सेज दिस स्कूल वाज बिल्ट 50 years ago. This is where I went to school too. In the first sentence, this tells us about the noun school. It is a demonstrative pronoun. Now in the second sentence, this is used in the place of noun. और जहाँ पे डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव किसी नाउन की प्लेस पे यूज़ होता है, वो होता है डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. और डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव्स के बाद में नाउन आ जाए तो वो होता है डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. ये एक ट्रिक है, ये मैंने बनाया है आपके लिए शॉर्ट फॉर्मूला. देखो, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव का मतलब होता है दैट, दिस दोज, ये सब ना, दिस दैट दोज दीज, इनके साथ अगर नाउन आ जाए तो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. और अगर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव्स नाउन की प्लेस पर आए तो उसको कहते हैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. जस्ट सी इन द एक्सरसाइज. समथिंग स्ट्रेंज हैपन्स बिहाइंड दैट डोर. नाउ डोर इज अ नाउन, दैट डोर, तो इट्स अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. ओके. टर्निंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. Those doors, again noun is there, so it is demonstrative adjective. Second one, that green door, again demonstrative adjective because we have green color, name of the color. Can you hear these sounds? Again it's a demonstrative. Now this sounds like wolves and hyenas. Now this is used in the place of noun na? That's why it's a demonstrative pronoun. I know, but there isn't any animal behind these doors. These doors, again demonstrative adjective. Now this is a mystery. This, now यहाँ पर जो this है वो एक noun की place पर ही आया है ना, तो इसलिए ये demonstrative pronoun है. Now this sound is not now again it's an adjective. Can we run away through one of these corridors? Demonstrative adjective. No, these led to the laboratories. Demonstrative pronouns. No, those. Now it denotes a noun, na? That's why. Just see, it would be easier for you to write. Okay, children, it's the only fifth one. Fifth, then 7th and 10th are demonstrative pronoun. Rest all are demonstrative adjectives. Remember? Now, okay. In my next video, I will just write down what should be there in the place of the letter. Have a nice day, kids.
Mama, देखो.